The story of Clan Sutherland begins with the Norsemen who conquered the islands of Scotland and much of the mainland, dubbing the region Sudrland or Southland. This Norse influence left an indelible mark on the clan's identity, even as it evolved over the centuries. The Sutherland family is believed to have Flemish origins, tracing their descent from Freskin. In the early 12th century, Freskin's grandson, Hugh, was granted land in Moray by David I. This marked the beginning of the Sutherland family's association with Scotland's northern landscapes. Hugh's descendants rose in prominence, with his son, William, becoming the Earl of Sutherland in the 13th century, a title usually reserved for close kin of the Scottish kings. The Sutherland clan found itself embroiled in feuds, notably with the Mackays, that would span centuries, with disputes over land and power. Robert, the 6th Earl of Sutherland, built Dunrobin Castle, an architectural gem overlooking the North Sea. This castle would become a symbol of the clan's power and prestige, evolving over the centuries into a magnificent French chateau-style palace. The Sutherland clan's history includes intriguing connections with Scottish royalty. William, the 5th Earl, married Princess Margaret, daughter of Robert the Bruce. Their son, though short-lived, was heir to the Scottish throne. The death of the 17th Earl of Sutherland led to a legal battle over succession. Elizabeth, the Earl's only daughter, ultimately prevailed in the House of Lords, becoming the Countess of Sutherland. Her marriage to the Marquis of Stafford paved the way for the creation of the first Duke of Sutherland in 1833. The first Duke of Sutherland, a reformer and visionary planner, embarked on a path that would both elevate and tarnish his legacy. His ruthless clearance policies, which involved displacing tenants from their ancestral lands, transformed the region's way of life. Although his actions were initially met with hostility, some came to respect his vision in time. Under the second Duke's stewardship, Dunrobin Castle underwent architectural transformations, culminating in its grandeur as we know it today. Subsequent generations contributed to the region's development, including significant investments in the Highland Railway. Today, the clan still holds titles for the Earldom and Dukedom of Sutherland, and Dunrobin Castle remains a testament to their enduring presence in the Scottish Highlands.